Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome back. I hope everyone had a restful, relaxing, and enjoyable spring break. Also, I hope that you enjoyed your Easter Sunday holiday. I know most of us were not able to spend time with family and friends like we usually do, but hopefully you got to spend special time with your family in the house with you. Maybe you got to call a family member or even do a Zoom or Google Meets with some members of your family that don't live with you and get to see and talk to them as well. Alrighty, so we are on our 19th day of online learning, and we're going to jump right in using our calendar and going through our calendar. So let's get started. We always start with our days of the week, and we see that today is Tuesday, yesterday was Monday, and tomorrow will be Wednesday. Let's go ahead and sing our days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Great job, boys and girls. We're going to move right on up to our month, and we're in the month of April. We know that April is our fourth month in the year, and we have 12 months in all of the whole year. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at all of our 12 months, and we're going to start with January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So those are all of the 12 months in the year, and we know that April is our fourth month. Great job, boys and girls. Moving right on up, we're looking at our year. We're in the year of 2020. And then we're going to go ahead and take a look at our date. When we left here on Thursday, we were on the 9th. So what would come after the 9th? What would be the next day? What was Friday? Friday was the 10th. Good job. Friday was the 10th. Saturday was the 11th. Good job. And so Saturday was the 11th. Then Sunday was the 12th. Good job. And yesterday was the 13th. That would make today the 14th. Now, before we turn our card over, let's take a look at our pattern. When we left on Thursday, we had an umbrella, then a boot, umbrella, and then a boot, umbrella. So today should be a boot. So it should be on the 14th, and it should be a boot. Let's take a look. Yay! We were right. Alrighty, so we're going to go ahead and do our calendar count. Calendar count is when we use cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers are numbers you use when you're in a race, like first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Most of the numbers have that TH sound at the end, like when we use the word thumb. So let's go ahead and get started. We have the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th. Good counting, boys and girls. We're going to mosey on over to our 100 board. With our 100 board, we count regular, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we count to 100 every day so that we have great number sense. We know that after 46 comes 47. We know that after 71 comes 72. We know before 85 comes 84. So that's why we count to 100 every day so that we have great number sense when we go to first grade. So let's go ahead and get started. And we start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Great counting, boys and girls. All right, we're going to start counting to 100 again, but this time we're going to do by tens, our blue numbers. So let's go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. A lot easier counting to 100 by tens. And now we're going to count to 100 by fives. That's when we use our pink and blue numbers. And we start with 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Good job, boys and girls. Hopefully you notice the pattern when we count by tens. We use all of the numbers that end with 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. They all end with 0. When we count by fives, all of the numbers either end in 5 or 10. See, 15 ends in 5, 20, 25. So we see the pattern. And every time we go down a 100 chart, we're adding 10. 5 plus 10 is 15, right? 15 plus 10 is 25. 25 plus 10 is 35. So when you go down a 100 chart, you're basically adding 10. Just like 10 plus 10 is 20, 20 plus 10 is 30, 30 plus 10 is 40. So going down a 100 chart means simply adding 10 to the number. Alrighty, we're going to go on up to our words to know. And with our words to know, we have 2 more new words. We have make, play, for, go, be, will, find, this, how, is, now, are, you, what, my, with, come, me, to, a, see, and, the, I, like, we, like, I, the, and, see, a, to, me, come, with, my, what, you, are, now, is, how, this, find, will, be, go, for, play, make. All right, boys and girls, our words to know are the words that we should know how to spell. We always sound out our words, but these words are not easy to sound out. So these are words we just need to know. So we want to say them every day so that we can get used to them and know how to spell them. Alrighty, we are starting lesson 22 this week. And in lesson 22, our main text is called Leo the Late Bloomer. It is a fantasy story. So we know that we will probably see animals talking. We might even have magic, but not always do we have magic in fantasies. Our companion text is What Can a Baby Animal Do? And that's an informational text. So we'll probably learn some things. We'll get some information from that text. Our big idea for this unit, as we're so familiar with, is change is all around us, and we certainly know much about that. Our essential question for this lesson is, how do the parts of a story work together? So we're going to be looking at a story structure for comprehension. And story structure includes the characters. Who are the characters in the story? What is the setting? Where is the story happening? What's the problem in the story? How did the characters solve the problem? That's all part of our story structure. So we're going to be analyzing and evaluating our story. Our two new words to know are said and good. And we'll be taking a closer look at those words at our reading table. Our letters for this lesson are letters X and J. And we'll be blending words, of course. We'll be doing blending and segmenting, and we also will be doing some substituting of some of our sounds to make new words. All right. We will revisit our vocabulary strategy of antonyms. That's the opposite. If I say black, you say white. If I say up, you say down. Those are all antonyms. They are opposite. And once again, we'll be working with pronouns, but we'll be working with the pronouns they, it, and I. All right, boys and girls, I'd like you to go on over, take a look at your Google Slides for your letters and letter sounds. It's important that you do that daily because when you know your letter sounds, then you can sound out a word that helps with your reading, or you can sound out a word which will help with your writing. So your Google Slides help for both reading and writing, and we need to do that daily. Also, I would like you to take attendance. Make sure that you put in your weather for today. When you look outside your window, what do you see for your weather? And also take a guess at what my hat will be for the letter G. Once you've done all that, go ahead and check out Ms. LaBerth. I'm sure she has something for you in the Google Classroom. And then we'll meet at the reading table. All right, until then.